Hello everyone, this is Zahid from Agile One Tech. In today's video, we're going to learn how to set up JDK for Mac OS. So let's dive in. So first of all, you need to know what version of Mac you have it. Go to your Mac icon, click about this Mac. It will tell you that you have iCore 7. So now we know you have iCore 7. If you have a newer chip version, that will be different, I will tell you what to do in a few seconds. The second, you have to go to terminal and make sure you have the right, if you already have JDK or not, let's find out. So open your terminal. This is your Mac terminal and type GABA Java space hyphen PERSION, hit enter. And this tells you that you do not have a Java in your Mac right now. So let's go and download it, JDK, and see if we can do it. So go back to your Google Chrome and in the Google type JDK for download JDK for Mac. Open the Oracle website and then go down and click on Mac, and then here's the option. So if you have a new chip, the newer Mac, you need to download ARM64 DMG installer. If you have an Intel i7, few years later Mac, you need to download 64 DMG installer. So click on download and give it a few seconds. This will be download. Download is done. And then click on show in the folder. Double click it. Once you double click it, it will verify it. And it will open. Unzip it. Click it one more time. This window will pop up. Click next. Next. Enter your password. And this will be installing your JDK. Your JDK is complete. Move it to trash. Close it here. Let's go back to terminal. Now type GABA space hyphen. Now you have a JDK on your Mac. So earlier when we typed, it didn't have anything. Now you have the JDK. So this is how you install JDK on your Mac. You can simply close it here and you're done. The next steps is you need to download Eclipse. Again, you can directly go to Eclipse website or you can just Google it. Eclipse download for Mac. And then go to Eclipse website and then start downloading. So the Mac is a little bit different than Windows. So let's go back to download. Click download. Click download. It will ask, do you want it to donate? Just say no. And I'm gonna pause it. It will take a few seconds to download and then we'll come back. Alright, so download has been completed. Let's go unzip the Eclipse. Double click it. Alright, so let's install it. It's asking you, are you sure you wanted to just say yes? Open it. And give it a second. It'll be installing. Now, which ones to install? I would always say, Eclipse for Java developer and hit install. Accept the license. and give it a few seconds. It will be installing anytime. Well, this one install, I wanted to ask you, if you ever go for an interview and they ask you, do you know how to install, JDK, Eclipse? Just say yes, you know how to install it for Mac and Windows. You're familiar with both of them. And then walk them through the process that I showed you in the video. All you have to do is a launch, and then in a few seconds it will launch the Eclipse. All right, so we just learned how to set up JDK for Mac and downloading Eclipse. There you go, Eclipse. It by default is saving this work directory. Press it launch. And there are your software tool, Eclipse, open source. Just minimize, close it here, connect to your Eclipse. Always say, show me welcome, unclick it, was not going to show you anymore. Cross it here. Now you have complete Eclipse.